today's digital age, data is everywhere, streaming from our phones, apps, and even refrigerators. But how do we make sense of it all? That's where mathematics in the modern world come in. Data management uses math to collect, organize, and intercept information, helping us make better decisions in business, health, and everyday life. From tracking climate change to improving online shopping, math turns raw numbers into powerful insights.
Mathematics is not just about numbers. It's a powerful tool for understanding and solving real-world problems. From budgeting your expenses to deciding cutting-edge technology, math is everywhere. Problem solving and reasoning help us make smart decisions, like predicting outcomes, analyzing risks, or finding the most efficient path. Whether you are a student, an engineer, or an entrepreneur, critical thinking through math empowers you to tackle challenges with logic and clarity. Embrace math. It's not just a subject, but as a way to understand the world around you.
Mathematics has its own language, clear, universal, and powerful. Through symbols and notations, complex ideas become easier to express and understand. The plus sign to the infinity symbol, math speaks across cultures, industries, and technologies. It allows us to model real-world problems, from calculating interest rates to decoding data trends. Mastering this language opens doors to innovation, precision, and progress into our modern world. Learn the language of math and see the world in a whole new way.
Math isn't just numbers. It's the key to understanding our world one data point at a time.
In the modern world, mathematics help us make informed decisions, solve real-life problems, and innovate for the future.
From budgeting at the supermarket, to navigating with GPS, to the way your phone connects to the internet, math is the heart of all of it.
It's in engineering,
Architecture,
medicine,
finance,
in social media you scroll through daily.
math is everywhere.
And understanding it empowers us to shape a better world.
Person! Kita ko? Oo, mana? 1, 2, 3, go. Math is everywhere. Understanding it.
Understanding it.
Ay, gabi na.
Ajarin lang. I'm Cadet Carlton M.